That you're talking about power, traffic lights out. Consumers Energy crews are out there trying to chip away at all of this, but it's going to be at least 2 days before everyone's lights and heat are back on. We have 155,000 people still waiting for that moment right now. We have the outages that you can see here scattered throughout the state. Kent County still has the worst of the numbers, however, with more than 86,000 outages. Now, in Ionia and Montcalm, we're looking at about 13,000 each. That's at least half of those areas. The really strong winds have been along Lakeshore and Muskegon County, where about 14,000 homes are in the dark.
Joining us now on the phone is Roger Morgenstern with Consumers Energy. Roger, we were just talking here a bit ago about how busy of a few days that you have had personally. We know that your crews, the 1,200 plus workers, are even busier. We appreciate that. We appreciate you taking the time. We've had a lot of people calling in this morning and overnight asking about the when. We know that it's a challenging time to estimate restoration times, but there's a lot of folks who see Sunday as a proposed restoration time and think, do I leave my house? Do I get a hotel? Do I stay with friends? And then all of a sudden the power comes back on. What advice do you give to those people who are in the dark right now?
Yeah, good morning, everyone. One of the things we're trying to do is get updated, more precise times of restoration on our outage map. Right now, we're continuing to say end of the day, close to midnight Sunday for most people. Because of that, I would, if people have friends and family that they can go stay with, that might be a good idea just to be sure. Also call 211. As you know, there have been warming centers open up around Metro Grand Rapids. We are prioritizing our critical and priority customers, things like, if we have any healthcare facilities that need assistance, media, police and fire, those we're prioritizing. We are still, working to get a plan. Well, we've got a plan, but we're working to formalize it and finalize it as these winds die down. Now, regarding the wind, the latest forecast we have, it shows that they're going to be reducing slowly after 9 a.m. So that will help our restoration efforts. We really feel we're going to be turning the corner today on this restoration. And as soon as we have better, more accurate restoration numbers, we will be populating that on our outage map, which is available at consumersenergy.com/outage center.
Roger, do you remember the last time we had this many people in the state without power?
Would have been March of 2017. This is a big storm, but it doesn't come close to one of the all-time storms, to be honest with you. Those are in the 300, 400,000, 500,000 range. But we know it's a significant storm, and it's been lengthy because we've had, what is unusual is to have these back-to-back ice storms. In fact, I was talking to Ellen Baca last night at your station, and she was saying, you just don't see this. And that was the challenge yesterday. There was already weight on the lines from the ice, and that freezing rain came more than I think anybody was expecting, and we got more weight on the lines, and that's where we saw the huge increase in outages yesterday morning, as you all were reporting on the air.
Yeah, and we know that weight on the lines, obviously no good. That has been the biggest issue, Roger. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. Best of luck here in the days to come. That's the problem, is with that weight. They're dropping, they're breaking, they're snapping, poles are falling, branches are falling and causing these outages. Downed lines, that's the issue, and repairing those down lines is tough to get to. We're talking restringing new wire. We
want to just remind you, this is an important warning to keep putting out there. The first step is obvious: don't touch it. Always assume a line is live just in case. Don't even touch it with an object like a stick or a broom, and don't touch anything else the line is touching, whether that's a car or a person.
So what do you do then if that line is touching something like your car that you're inside of? Well, experts say stay inside of it because the ground around you could be energized. They suggest that you roll down your window and use your horn to get help, and also tell others to stay away and call 911.
If something forces you out of your car, like a fire, for instance, what you should do is take off any loose clothing, jump away from the car without touching it as your feet hit the ground. That way you won't conduct electricity.
Don't run away. Keep both feet close together. You need to shuffle away without picking your feet up off the ground so that the energy, the electricity, doesn't have a way to exit, because then it can run through you.
It's